Hello, my dear students. A very warm welcome to everyone who all are there in the class. Please let me know in the chat. I hope I'm visible and audible to everybody. Okay, well, students, I'm Rumana, and here at Goprep today, it's going to be a very special session wherein I'll be talking about what? Any idea? What am I going to talk about? All up there in the class, first of all, give a quick acknowledgement because I can't see many of you over here. Who is there? Hi. Hello Diptesh, hello Abul, hello everybody. So quick acknowledgement, and if you're new in my session, please let me know that you're new as well. Okay. Yes, this is going to be about the Olympiad, and there have been several conjectures and talks and doubts about this particular topic. You all have been asking me to bring some information about it. So here I am going to give you every detail about it, about the dates of it that has been revised, also about the syllabus, okay, that is about the IEO, the English examination that you will have, the International English Olympiad. All right, so are you all excited? Are you all ready to have all the information? Do you have a pen and a paper with you so that you can note all the important information here? Surely. For that, Abul, you will get you will surely get notified separately. Okay. So this platform, today's session is all about Olympiad. So ask questions based on Olympiad. All right. Absolutely. So let's get started, students. Let me tell you briefly. Start with what is IEO and what is its relevance, what happens in this one, if anybody over here doesn't know what it is. So basically, International English Olympiad, which is also conducted under the Science Olympiad, is an English language and grammar competition for students of class 1 to 12. So definitely you qualify, right? Please comment whether you qualify or not. Are you in grade 1 to 10, between 1 to 12? I'm pretty sure yes you are. Okay, now it is conducted by Science Olympiad Foundation, like I said, in collaboration with British Council, of course. So the content of the test is designed to focus on communication, use of English or English language rather than rote learning and correct grammar only. So basically, students, what does this test tests? Okay, well, this test is all about your English knowledge not just of rote learning or of literature part. No, it is about your communication skill, about your your grasping of the language and command over the language, which also includes grammar, vocabulary, all of that. Okay, is that clear? Are you getting an idea of it? Okay. Now, this is some basic information. What happens in here is that the participants of IEO, they are ranked on the basis of marks that you obtain in the first level. Okay, after taking that first level, what happens? You can actually judge yourself based on 4 different levels, okay, within the school, and also you can check what is your grade at city level, what is your state level performance, and of course then you can finally check for your international level performance, right? So in this one, there are 2 levels of examination. I hope you all are familiar with that, level 1 and level 2. So those who qualify for level 2 they have to do, they are the top 55% of students class wise. So you will be divided class wise, and in every class, from every class actually, you will be taken the 5% of the students will be appearing for the second round. Okay, and state-wise top 25 rank holders, that also class-wise different. So everything over here is different. For class 9th and 10th, it will be separately. Of course, from 1 to 12th, there are separate rules and regulations. However, I'm specifically talking about grade 9th and 10th. Okay, so class topper from each participating school, where at least 10 students from a class appear in the exam and scores 50% qualifying marks. All right, surely don't worry, I'll be sharing you links and all the links that are important over here so that you can have a look at it, where to apply, how to apply, some FAQs, what all information you want from them. All of that I'm going to show you in just 1 minute. But let me show you the basic, or how is the English paper divided. Okay, so I'll focus more on the segment of 5 to 12th. for grade 9th to 10th basically, which lies under the category of 5 to 12th. Students who are in grade 1 to 4, they can also have a look over here if anybody in my class is from grade 4th to 1 to 4th. Okay, so of course this pattern actually remains the same for both from 1 to 12th. However, the marking scheme is slightly different. So here you have 35 marks and 40 total marks. Here you have 50 and you have total marks 60. So basically 50 is the grand total for which you have to aim. Okay, and you will be what all will you be judged on, what all will you be scored. You have to prepare. You have to prepare for word structure and structure knowledge. What does this include? Word के लिए क्या important है? Definitely understanding the etymology, which I have been talking about so often. राइट एटिमोलॉजी, वो वर्ड का रूट वर्ड क्या है, ओरिजिनेट कहाँ से हुआ, एंटोनिम, सिनोनिम, होमोफोन, होमोग्राफ, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, वर्ड एंड स्ट्रक्चर नॉलेज कि एक वर्ड का फॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है. देन योर रीडिंग स्किल्स, राइट, हाउ यू रीड, योर रीडिंग पेस. इसके लिए भी मैंने आपको एक लिंक शेयर किया था जिसमें आप चेक कर सकते हैं कि आपका रीडिंग पेस कितना है और कितना होना चाहिए. तो आइडियल रीडिंग पेस क्या होता है? Can anybody tell me in the comment section what is the ideal reading pace? I think I have told this to everybody. Yeah, anybody in the class who can tell me what is the average reading pace that you should all be knowing? Anybody? Yeah. Sample papers के लिए you will have to join the Telegram group. That is there. You can see the link right here. I'll share the sample papers in my Telegram group. If you have not joined that, please join today itself. Okay, because I'll be sharing for grade 9th and 10th. And if anybody from other class also wants, I can surely share that as well. So for 9th and 10th, I'll be sharing in my Telegram group. Okay, and the link is here as well and in the description box also. Fine. Then there will be, so this first 45 marks, number of questions, that is 45 marks, each contains 1 mark. So that will be total mark for this section will be 45. And what all will you be tested on? You will be tested on words and structure knowledge, your reading ability, so reading comprehension, which I'm sure you guys have been doing for a while now. The level for this is slightly different. Okay, however, the level is slightly different from the school examination. So of course, you can go through the sample papers or you can connect with me if you want any kind of guidance on this type of reading, how it differs from the usual reading pattern. Okay, and then some spoken and written expressions. Do not worry, I'll quickly show you the syllabus as well. What all does it include? And there will be an achievers section again. The total marks for this one is 50. Okay, because this achiever section is for 3 marks. There will be 3 questions, each for 5 marks. So that becomes 15, and then it will be total 60 marks. Okay. Now let's proceed and let me tell you in the section 1 what all will be asked. So all topics, jaldi se note kar lijiye sare bacche and start preparing. The topics will be synonyms, antonyms, right? Analogies, spellings. Okay, one word what? One word substitution that we have been doing for a while. Word order kya hona chahiye? Nouns, verbs, adverbs, all part of speech. Okay, articles, prepositions, adjectives, conjunctions, punctuations. Punctuations also play a very vital role. Okay, voice. What is voice? Active, passive voice. This can also have narration. ठीक है, नरेशन क्या है? रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच भी आएगा. ओके, कन्वर्जन रूल्स आने चाहिए आपको. कॉनकॉर्ड का मतलब क्या है? व्हाट इज कॉनकॉर्ड? व्हाट कॉनकॉर्ड आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट? द वेरी फेमस सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट रूल. Subject verb agreement concord. Concord is agreement, right? So this concord is subject verb agreement concord. I'll quickly write it for you guys. Okay, so this is subject verb agreement and your pronoun antecedent agreement as well. Okay, so please note them down. Pronoun antecedent agreement, both are equally important. Okay, and if you have not seen any of these classes and if you're not familiar with what these are, please go through the videos that I have taken, the classes that I have taken on these 2 topics. Okay, And now, of course, question forms that can also include question tags. Okay, tenses, conditionals. It can also have modals. So conditional modals are slightly different. I hope you know the difference. Collocations, phrasal verbs. Of course, phrasal verbs. Right, accustomed to. Right, acquainted with. क्या ये सब phrasal verbs हैं, किस तरह से use होने चाहिए. All right, idioms, of course, idioms. Homonyms, homophones, like I said, words related to weather conditions से related जो words होते हैं. We did a session on this, right? Balmy, all of that. Countries, language and people, global problems, etc. So this will be your first section, all right? What will be in the second section? This will be search for and retrieve information from various text types like encyclopedia, dictionary, etc. So this is like a reading analysis type of a section. Okay, so you'll have to analyze what's written over there. Fine. And retrieve का मतलब क्या होता है? What is retrieving? Fetching information, taking information from the piece of writing that's presented to you. Students, are you all getting it? Everybody? You want all slides? Surely I'll show you. You can have a look. I'll share this document in my Telegram group as well. Okay, so join that if you want to get this entire document. I'll share with you. Do not worry about that, students. Now again, so this section tests you on what all will you be tested on? Your retrieving capability, how you retrieve and take information, grasp information, analyze it, interpret it. Okay, understand information presented in instruction manual format. तो instruction manual को आप किस तरह से, for example, आपको active voice में instruction दिए हैं और अगर आपको उसे passive में प्रोड्यूस करना है, इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस भी आ सकते हैं. ओके, सो यू हैव टू जस्ट ट्रांसफॉर्म दैट इनटू अनदर पैटर्न. Okay, message format and other. Acquire board understanding of and look for specific information in longer text like editorials, essays, etc. Make inferences. So basically, you will be given a long. So I'm sure you know what is Pressy writing. I hope you all understand what is Pressy. Yeah, if you have not done Pressy writing, I'm sure ICSE students को बहुत बेहतर पता होगा कि Pressy writing क्या होती है. तो Pressy writing टाइप का एक सेगमेंट भी मिल सकता है आपको, जिसमें आपको एक ऐसे लिखा हो और आपको उसे इन्फर करना हो, उसे रीड करके एक Pressy के फॉर्म में आपको प्रेजेंट करना हो. Till here everything is clear. The third section will be the ability to understand situation based variations in functions like giving, accepting. So this is totally, the third section is totally communication based. आप रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं तो क्या वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं, व्हाट इज योर अप्रोच व्हेन यू टेक कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, व्हेन somebody is complimenting you, what should be your tone, what should be your response to that, whether you should just ignore that compliment or you should just show your humbleness, your thankfulness, right? Agreeing, disagreeing. So this also is important. What is important for debate, right? So you disagree. So what are the keywords that you use when you disagree with somebody? I hope you all know the keyword for that is but. है ना? I totally understand what you're saying, but I have a point to make. Okay? So all of these things, this comes under the section 3, wherein you will have to quite talk a bit about your interaction with people, probably some new people. If you're meeting somebody for the very first time, how should you respond for queries that you do not know, probably? All right. I'm so sorry. Okay, and seeking information. So for instance, if you go to a bank and you're visiting a bank for the very first time, you don't know how to fill up a form. Okay, so that is also called dialogue writing. How many of you have done dialogue writing? Students, do you know dialogue? Surely date भी बताएंगे, अभी बस 2 मिनट में date बताएंगे. All right. Okay, so that also. Now, what is this section? Can anybody tell me what is hots and what is lots? ये तो सुना होगा आप सभी बच्चों ने. Hots and lots के बारे में सारे बच्चों को पता होगा. Hots and lots. Hots are higher order thinking skills, and lots are lower order thinking skills. So memorization or repetition of words, these come under lots. Hots के अंदर क्या क्या आता है? Creativity, creation. Okay, so whenever you're creating something for the very first time, that comes under the HOTS category, and this will totally be based on the syllabus. Okay, that is given in your first, second, third section, not your school syllabus. This is about all the sections that we discussed right now. First section, third section, first, second, third section. तो इनमें हमने क्या देखा? You have some grammar, sections. You will have questions on antonym, synonym, homophones, adjectives, adverbs, all that comprises, all that comes under grammar section, right? तो उसके basis पे HOTS पूछे जाएंगे आपसे. HOTS क्या होते हैं? ऐसे questions life based, real life based. ओके, रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन दी जाएगी आपको कि आपकी कोई एक सिचुएशन में डाल दिया गया और अब आप कैसे, जैसे मैंने आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया कि इफ यू आर विजिटिंग अ बैंक फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम एंड यू डू नॉट नो हाउ टू फिल अप अ फॉर्म, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू आस्क द पर्सन, what all steps will you take, what will be the conversation there? This comes under HOTS. ठीक है, कि आप एक रियल लाइफ कनेक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे. I hope this is clear. Yes, absolutely. Now, students, there is the most important link that is here that you can see. That is, please visit www.softworld.org. Exam schedule. अगर आपको exam schedule चाहिए तो ये important पॉइंट है जिसे आप नोट कर लीजिए, और इसका आपको सारे लिंक्स इस डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे. जब इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में, यू कैन गो थ्रू देम वंस. ओके, व्हाट ऑल यू हैव टू टेक केयर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, स्टूडेंट्स वांटिंग टू अपीयर इन ड्यूरिंग 2020 and 2021 may register for exams and peers. Registration start हो चुका है. ओके, अगर आपके स्कूल आपको पार्टिसिपेट करने में नहीं, आप अनेबल है स्कूल के थ्रू करने के लिए, तो यू में रजिस्टर है. कहां से रजिस्टर करेंगे आप? ये जो आपको लिंक प्रोवाइड की गई है वहां से आप रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं. ओके, और एग्जाम कहाँ कंडक्ट होंगे? स्कूल में नहीं होंगे, रेसिडेंस पे होंगे. यू हैव टू गिव योर एग्जाम्स फ्रॉम द कंफर्ट ऑफ योर होम. आपका जो घर है वहां से आप एग्जाम दे सकते हैं. Please ensure all information filled is accurate and complete. But you have to be very responsible, very accurate, क्योंकि ये सारी responsibility अब आप खुद ले रहे हैं. Information will be shared with schools and any inaccurate information filled in may lead to cancellation of registration of exam. तो ये जो भी आप अपने marks या जो भी आपसे information ली जा रही है, that has to be श्योर शॉट करेक्ट. ओके, इसमें कुछ भी आपने ट्वीक किया, गलत किया, तो ये क्रॉस चेक होगा आपके स्कूल से. तो आप इस पे प्लीज कुछ भी गलत ना भरे, क्योंकि दिस जस्ट डिस्क्वालिफाइज यू. ये आपका जो एप्लीकेशन है उसे ही कैंसिल कर देगा. ओके, and then you will quickly, I mean, I'm sure in a day or two, or maybe at the same time, you will get the confirmation received through ऑनलाइन मोड इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, ऑनलाइन आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन मिल जाएगा. जो स्लिप है, जैसे ही आपने रजिस्टर किया आपको कंफर्मेशन मिल जाएगा, और पेमेंट के लिए आपको रिसीप्ट भी मिल जाएगी. ठीक है, आपके लिए जो वेबसाइट है स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. Go through it. You will get guidelines for exam. You will get demo there. You will get the actual test. Actually, let me tell you, here you have the entire guideline जो है वो इतनी it's actually presented to you in a very structured manner that you can go through it and have a look कि आप किस तरह से आपकी preparation में भी ये बहुत help करेगी. So please visit the site that I'm telling you. इस website को जरूर visit कीजिए at least once if you're planning to write this exam. Okay, and of course awards, gifts, prizes तो मिलते ही हैं आपको ओलंपियाड में. ये आपके स्कूल के साथ शेयर कर दिया जाएगा. कोई और इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो आप फेसबुक पे भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, दिस इज द लिंक फॉर फेसबुक. By sharing your mobile number and email ID, you're expressly permitting us to share with you important information like guideline for exam, demo test, actual test, day and time of exam. तो जैसे ही आपने रजिस्टर किया, you will be provided with so many guidelines and demo tests. So ऐसा आपको ना लगे कि अरे ये तो स्पैम होने लगा मेरे साथ. ऐसा नहीं है. वो आप जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको शेयर करेंगे वो रेलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन होगी, जो ऑथोराइज्ड ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन होगी जिसमें आपको डेमो टेस्ट बताए जाएंगे, गाइडलाइंस बताई जाएंगी कि आपको एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में क्या करना है। जैसे कुछ गाइडलाइंस ऐसी हैं कि जब आप एग्जाम दे रहे हैं तो कोई भी आपको माल प्रैक्टिस नहीं करनी है, आपके रूम में आपसे ज्यादा कोई दूसरा इंसान नहीं होना चाहिए। ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आर देयर। आपके सिस्टम का एक पर्टिकुलर स्पीड होना चाहिए, आई थिंक दैट इज समवेयर अराउंड 500 kbps होना चाहिए। मिनिमम टेस्ट है, वो भी आपको एक कंप्यूटर टेस्ट भी पास करना होगा। ये बेसिक गाइडलाइंस जो है, कंप्यूटर स्पेसिफिकेशन, सिस्टम रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है टेस्ट के लिए, वो सब आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, प्लीज गो थ्रू दैट। आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू वन मोर टाइम, प्लीज गो थ्रू दैट। Okay, yes, that's right. IEO is conducted by SOF. Absolutely true. ठीक है students, I hope you guys are noting that down. And finally, the dates that you guys have been looking for. So the date for IEO is 30th November, and for IGKO is 25. IMO is 10th December. No, I think that this is 10th January. Okay, and this is 15 January 2021. Okay, so ये आपके registration के links हैं, sorry, dates हैं, and I think yes, so that is there also. आपको और detail अगर इसके बारे में चाहिए students, तो please visit the website that I am telling you. वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको बहुत डिटेल में इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी, what all you have to do in there. Okay, और ऐसा कुछ दिखेगा, ये जो पेज है that will look something like this. Okay, so you have to, what all you are supposed to fill, you have to fill in your school details. Okay, so SOF school code that will be provided by school code, school I'm sure. Okay, and if you do not have school code, please enter this. अगर school code नहीं है आपके पास तो भी आपके पास ऑप्शन है, आप जो कोड है AB999, so 4 times 9, this code you have to enter and you can skip probably school's code if you do not have it this time. Okay, school का नाम जरूरी है, country fill करना है, state or city, and of course there will be more information required in this page. So please visit the link that is shared there, and it will be shared in the description as well. और अगर आपको sample papers चाहिए तो ये link है Telegram के लिए, वहां पे आप connect कर सकते हैं instantly. Okay. Now, I'm giving you 1 minute. If you have any question, please go ahead and ask. If you have any doubt, anything that you want to ask me, please go ahead, students, and ask. Okay? Quickly. Anything that you have not understood. Did this make sense to everyone? All right. So, I hope to connect with you all and share the information. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the Telegram group as well. If if you are not yet connected there. And what is confusion? बताइए जल्दी बताइए. What is the confusion? I don't think कोई confusion है. अगर कुछ है भी तो आप एक बार इस लिंक को विजिट कर लीजिए, और सैम्पल पेपर्स चाहिए तो टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे आ जाइए. एंड some more information, that is you guys, I'm sure you all are on the app connected with us, or we are going to have one mini course, that is Master Triangles in 5 days. This will be taken by Avi sir, so you all can join and enroll, and this is going to start from 26th of November. All right, and if you really want to take this course up, you can contact the number that's given, and you can write a mail to support@goprep.co as well. Okay, and those who are not there on app yet, मैं आपको बता दूं, हमारे इंग्लिश के रेगुलर क्लासेस भी होती हैं. ये तो कुछ इन्फॉर्मेटिव क्लास थी आज. इसके अलावा वी हैव सेशंस ऑन ग्रामर. ये सारे टॉपिक्स जो आपने यहाँ देखे, इन सारे टॉपिक्स पे हमने क्लासेस कर चुकी हैं, और जो बच्चे मेरे रेगुलर हैं उन्हें पता है कि हमने वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन, एंटोनिम, ईडियम, इन सब पे बहुत सारी क्लासेस करी हैं. तो अगर आप चाहें तो वो लिंक्स अवेलेबल हैं यूट्यूब के सेशंस के, उन्हें आप देख सकते हैं. और फ्री क्लासेस के लिए हमारे ऐप को इंस्टॉल जरूर कर लीजिए. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, सो आई विल टेक लीव फॉर टुडे. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन pertaining to the Olympiad, English Olympiad, please connect with me on Telegram. I'll guide you through. Okay, and most of the information you will get in the link that's provided. इस वीडियो के साथ आपको 3-4 लिंक्स मिल जाएंगी जिसमें आपको सारी गाइडलाइंस डिटेल में मिल जाएंगी. और अगर आपको समझने में, अंडरस्टैंडिंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी, so please connect with me. All right, students, thank you so much and take care, everybody.